after Gordon was repaired, Gordon took the express back, and Tarquin was in the shed, relaxing from the heavy coaches.
I hope Gordon's satisfied. Why did the trucks even lie about me? I treat them so well.
What did those big engines say to you?
They said I called James a, quote, red flag in all the wrong senses, and Henry a great northern failure, and Gordon a worse A1.
Utter boiler sludge! Tell you what, how about we think it over? Who tell them that?
They said the trucks did.
Are you sure? S1-3 made them say the same and got rid of Kirk.
Oh, you're right. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Tarquin.
And then James broke the silence with a loud yell.
How can you be so two-faced? You call me a red flag in all the wrong senses, and now then act like nothing's happened. Do you not see the weight of what you're doing? For the last time, I didn't say such a thing. How can I prove it to you?
You are lucky that Henry is pulling a neutral.
I'm lucky he listened. You're just too headstrong to realize I'm not lying. It's that 98462.
Oh, scapegoating, are we? Let's see how you'll fare when Tobin sends...
That's enough, Gordon!
I don't feel so well today, sir. I apologize in advance, but I don't think I can take my trains. James, better stop the nonsense after all this.
Oh no, I'm stuck on the hill. You'll need to bank me.
Really, Gordon?
Perfect.
Oh my God. I'm not even going to ask. Topham, I have a question. Yes, Tarquin? Can you tell 9462, James, and Gordon off about the bullying? They keep Don't give me that. They told me you're trying to blame it on them. They what? You heard me. Now get on that train.
That's it. I'm not standing by this anymore. Why do they get the ability to harass, bully and sabotage Tarquin so much? They're big, sure, but he's not doing it himself. Tarquin didn't throw the trucks on the roof. That was Thomas at the breakdown crane. Gordon strands himself on purpose by telling the coaches or trucks to do so. And Tarquin is pulling James's trains to get him out of trouble.
Sir, James, I am disappointed in you. I wanted to tell you I was sorry, but I see Tarquin and Edward already told you. Gordon was planning a strike. Thank you, James. I take back what I said as now I know you felt remorse. I'll think about how to fix this. But I have tea in a few minutes, so I'll be back to you all in half an hour.
What's up with you now, James?
Gordon, he took my trains to get me out of trouble. Are you really that set on kicking me off this island?
James, you're supposed to be on my side, not doing this.
Gordon, really? Tarquin banked you and me up your hill for one purpose, and it was to help. He's not some manipulative plonker.
I agree with Henry. If he was dead set on kicking us off the island, he'd be kicked off already.
Well, I don't know about that one. Gordon fell rightfully silent and began looking back on Tarquin's actions and his own. I think his view's changing, don't you? A few months had passed, and Gordon had been thinking, and while doing so, rarely talked to the other engines, which was cause for concern for the other engines.
Gordon, you alright?
I think he's trying to admit he's wrong.
Edward's right.
He deserves it. He owes Tarquin an apology.
Henry's right too. I really need to apologize for all I've done. He's rude sometimes, sure, but what all you said is going in my smoke box like an echo chamber. This is too far.
I forgive you, Gordon. No words need to be said.
I forget why I even disliked you in the first place. Probably that stupid idea that all tank engines are awful cheeky prats. Explains why I acted like I did to you and Percy. Okay, Percy was like the stereotype said, but you get what I mean.